play drums and piano. Every time I do drums, it helps me take all that anger and take it in there.
ELSA STEM is focused on music for social change through high intensity and peer teaching. It's a global movement that began in Venezuela in 1975, and we're a part of it.
Here we teach students how to play instruments and sing.
They can learn what music is and how music can be expressed through feelings, and they also have great times here, and they can make memories here, and we can see them slowly grow up too.
And we put those skills to use by creating our own music, and we tell other people about God through music.
East Lake Expression is about joy, love, and respect.
My favorite part of being here is playing my instrument, which is guitar. They teach me to learn how to play violin.
My favorite instrument is saxophone.
I have advanced violin lessons.
I play piano.
As a kid, I was playing the clarinet, and I'm still playing the clarinet.
I learned how to play violin.
It's fun learning new music. It helps you with your feelings.
I was a shy kid when I came in here. It slowly got me out of my box, and I started learning to be more out there, engaging more with the kids around me.
Coming here as a kid, it was not only a place where I could just have fun, but I also felt safe, and there was a lot of people here that I could trust. And even now, I haven't really heard about a lot of other places in the city that do the same thing we do.
The point is to give all these kids a new experience with music and also help them in their lives.
I think it's really cool that there's an intern program because we get to come back and keep learning what we were learning as kids, and at the same time also teach others.
The reason why I wanted to be a part of the intern program was because I also wanted to have the skills to teach kids. It was an opportunity to help my family financially, and it was a flexible job. I'm still here because I love teaching kids, and I love learning more about how to teach kids.
Yeah, you should definitely come here. It's really fun. You can go to concerts, you can eat. This is the best place that we want to come.